Hello sir, welcome to our school in the occasion of a science and art exhibition. This is our model. Myself Ruchi, she is Sneha and she is Nancy. This is our model. Now Nancy will explain our model.
As we can see that this is a factory and this releases many harmful gases and waste in a water that we drink, and this is very harmful our surroundings. Thank you sir for visiting.
My name is Aradha Rani. This is digestive system. This is mouth. This is food pipe. This is liver, stomach, pancreas, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. This is mouth. We take food from mouth, then it's come in food pipe, then it's go in stomach, then it's go in large, small intestine. Undigested foods come with anus. Thank you. Aradha Rani. Vimal at the English Medium School.
We all know about air pollution. Earth has an atmosphere. It is very important to maintaining the balance of various gases such as carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, helium, etc. Due to any reason, if the air pollution will disturb, its affect our health badly. There are many sources to pollute the air, like poisonous gases released from industry. About this air that trees are drying, destroy. Thank you.
So you all know about cell, and I have made a still model of plant cell and animal cell. The cell is the basic unit of every form of life. We all living creatures are made up of cells. But the main difference between plant cell and animal cell is that plant cell has cell wall and cell membrane, but animal cell only has cell membrane. Now let me tell you some parts of the cell. Mitochondria, cell wall, cell membrane, lysosome, ribosome, nucleus, Golgi apparatus are some parts of cell. Mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of the cell, as respiration takes place in it. Lysosome is also known as the suicidal bag, as when it splits, the cell dies. Nucleus carries the genetic materials as DNA and RNA. At last, I would like to say our body is made up of trillions of cells which perform various functions. My name is Aryaman Jha. My school name is Vimal Hridaya English Medium School.
Good morning everyone. My name is Astha.
My name is Rishti. And my name is Sohani.
We are from standard 5th. We are made a working model of day and night.
See sir, as the globe rotates, different parts of the earth face towards or away from the sun, demonstrating day and night. The earth located day and the night, the sunlight, aluminium, the creature's night.
Sir, my name is Saurav Saurang from Standard 7 with my friend Ujwal, and we are prepared, excited to present you a fingerprint kit.
So first you put your thumb here.
Here.
Now we give some graphite powder.
वही कह रहे आप लोग ना पहले से बता के रखिए कि जिन लोगों का लेना है, क्योंकि सबका लेने में तो 2 घंटा से भी पार नहीं लगेगा। वाह,
You see it from magnifying glass. Here is your thumb.
गुड। योर नेम?
Ujjwal Anand.
आपका?
Saurav Saurang.
स्कूल नेम?
Vimal Hridaya English Medium School.
थैंक यू।
This is the model of hemodialysis, and it helps to clean the unpure blood, which is if anyone's kidney is fail to do its work, then the person goes to the hospital, and with the help of dialyzer, the blood is then cleaned, and with the help of these, the waste materials are separated, and the clean blood is then sent back to the body again.
This process is about the codings. I have done this project by the following steps. I tell the step that is mainly used in this Python. First step is that we have to installing the necessary libraries from there. Then second step, what we have to do? Second step, we have to setting the environment. What is the game of the environment? What is the background of the color that I have done? I want to see there. I have the background color is there. The green I have done like that. I have done. Then after you have to check, you have create a snake or caterpillar, like anything you want to create. Then after move function. I have done this one. I see after the game how I play. Then after I have done the controlling snakes. How to control snake? What the degree control? 80 degree, 90 degree, like that. Then after I have the displaying the score. There score. What's the score? Then after the loop is there. I want to see my game. You have first you see the program. First you. This is my program. Program is a very essential for I want the see see this game. Press this game. I already answered. What's the game? Like this game score is there. Yes. So this game I have done the very well. My name is Suryam Kumar. My school name is Vimal English Medium School. And I also want to tell the benefit of this. This is the use for Python is very usefully for the in life. So the Python benefits us that increase our IQ mind. And in our home there is no internet, there is no time any pass. Then we play game and time very pass. Thank you, sir.
My name is Satyam Kumar. This project is carbon purification. In this project, carbon will purify from air. You can see there is one smoke, carbon, and we can take carbon from carbon absorber. It will purify the carbon and release clean air. It can be used in factories, industries, and many others. This technology is being used in factories. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I Saksham
And I Vans Kumar.
We are excited to present our exhibition titled Solar Power Irrigation System and Greenhouse.
This is water pump with the this is sea with the this is river. With the water pump, the water comes into the tank, and with the tank, the water is supplied into the ponds and fields. And this is electricity generators.
Soil irrigation purpose is to provide water to crops and plants.
This is greenhouse, which is made up of glasses, and it is very hot and dry. It is used to grow crops like tomatoes, etc.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sharanya. I'm from Standard 8 and my project is DNA extraction. So today I've extracted DNA from a banana. So first I took a banana, I chopped it, and then I poured a little bit of dish soap and salt into it. The dish soap helped the DNA cells to be released outside of the cell. Then the salt reduces its solubility so that it doesn't mix with the liquid. Then I poured some water and mixed it with a spoon. Okay. Then I poured it into a Ziploc bag and I had to use some kind of alcohol, so I used a sanitizer. Okay. Then I smashed it all up with a rolling pin and I put it into a container like this. And now I'm just taking a dropper, I'm putting into a slide, and now you can view it here, that the DNA of the banana.
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Rani from Standard 8. Basically, this is lungs and heart. Human blood circulatory system I have prepared. It's lungs, and from here heart is divided into 4 parts. Left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium, right ventricle. From here
oxygenated blood move with the help of pulmonary vein to the left atrium. Left atrium send that blood to the left ventricle, which again send that blood to the with the help of aorta to the body organ. Body organ use that blood again. It send blood to the atrium. Right atrium send that blood at the end of the cycle, send that blood to the back to the right ventricle and send to the lungs.
Good morning, sir. So welcome to our Vimal Hriday English Medium School in science exhibition. We are the student of class 9th, and I am along with my group members with Vidya and Prachi, and this is our project, and we had used several materials to make this project. Our project name is Geostationary Satellite Model, and we are this earth is made up of ball and tissue paper, and this maze is made up of thermocol and cardboard, and this sun is made up of CFL ball.
A geostationary orbit can only be achieved at an altitude very close to and directly above the equator. This equation to the orbital velocity of for a period of 1436 minutes.
In other words, if a satellite in a geostationary orbit in a certain place above the earth, it will stay in that some spot above the earth. Its latitude stay at 0 and its longitude remains constant.
This ensures that the satellites are located on the Earth's rotational period. Thank you.
Your name?
Prachi.
Bhavya. Vidya.
Vimal Hriday English Medium School.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to our school, Vimal Hriday English Medium School, Purnia. As we three have prepared the working model of acid rain.
Acid rain is a growing environmental concern that not only affect our ecosystem but also affect our health and economy. It is formed due to the pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. When combined with water and oxygen, it results to acidic compound, and when these acidic compounds fall to the earth, it results to acid rain.
Our working model demonstrates its effect on the environment and the chemical reaction involved in the acid rain formation. Thank you.
Yes. We have prepared a model whose name is Contrasting World of Villages and Cities. While villages provide a peaceful and natural environment, cities provides opportunities for growth, innovation and connectivity. But with urbanization comes pollution, congestion and strain on resources. In contrast, villages face challenges like limited access to education, technology and access to healthcare. As we move forward, let's strive for preservation and progress. We should make a balance between them. Thank you.
Smart city is a city where there is a certificate and access to development, people, social and economics information. A smart city is an urban area that use technology to collect data and provide service. Thank you.
So good morning sir and hello sir, we are the student of class 9. We have done the working model of Chandrayaan 3. I Kali,
I Pratiksha.
I Sanjeevni. We have made this, and with the help of waste material like cardboard and chart paper, we have take two syringe, that is one and that there. We have put there water. With the help of water, it's come up. When the pressure goes up, then it's come up, and the pressure go down, it's come down. And this is our best model. And
Chandrayaan 3 is the India's third moon mission, and it was launched on July 14, 2023 at 2:35 p.m. and landed on August 23. India became the first country to do the soft landing on the moon South Pole, and India is the fourth country to land on the moon after the US, China and Russia. Because Vikram landed on the moon on August 23, now it is called National Space Day. Thank you. Have a beautiful
and
day.
ISRO has made this, and ISRO has made ISRO's full form is Indian Space Resource Organization.
And Chandrayaan was made in the cost of 615 crore. And
Thank you. Have a
thank you.
wonderful day.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ansik. They are my teammates, Divanshu and
Pratik.
We are here to show you a science project made by us. This is a home security laser light project. When some stranger and some thief, anyone who is stranger, try to come inside our home from any direction of the house, the people who are standing here, if they come in the path of the beam, the laser light start beaming. The sound comes one. That's we know that some stranger has come in our house to enter in our security.
Good morning, respected principal, sister, teachers and my chief guest. Today, this is my volcano and this is my water cycle. Now, we explain how it became. The water in the dam is evaporate and came to the sun. Then sun gives passes it to clouds, which the cloud can heavy and they observe the water. Then it started raining. Then the rain passes to the mountain, and then it passes to the dam side, and then dams again filled. And this is my volcano. When we put some in this, it started erupting. This we know it's the volcano eruption. Thank you.
Your name?
My name is Ankit Mishra. Good morning, respected principal, sister, teachers and my chief guest. Today I make my project laser light home security system. So in this project, any thief will enter in the house, so the buzzer will be making sound. I will explain you how it works. So first we on the laser light. And after it comes in the LDR. When it's come in LDR, and after it was working. When we put our finger, it was louding. It was making sound. This is my project. Good morning, I am Ankita and I am Ananya from Standard 4. Today we are presenting our still models of rural and urban areas. Our model distills the future features of each environment. Rural areas are characterized by natural landscape, rural homes and limited infrastructure. Our model features such huts, farms and animals, highlighting the peaceful and serene atmosphere. On the other hand, urban areas are densely populated with skyscrapers and apartments and buildings. Our model showcases the bustling city life with extensive infrastructure and diverse transportation system. Our model demonstrates the contrasting lifestyles and environment of rural and urban areas. Thank you. Arnav, I did in class 1. It is my project. My project name is Pulse. It means wheat, rice, white rice, chickpeas, green peas. Thank you.
So this is a water fountain, as you are seeing here. This has a water reservoir and a motor in it. The water reservoir stores the water and the motor. The motor connects to the tubing over here. This is the tubing which connects to the head of the fountain, and from here the water leaves the fountain and falls again in the reservoir. This continues as a cycle, and this model as a reference can be used in home decor, house gardens and parks. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Komal from class 10th and I am going to do science experiments which is based on science. So I have taken a glass of water and I will put nail polish on this because in nail paint there is the presence of acetone, and this is help to burn in water. Upon water we will burn fire, so you can see easily that the fire will start burning.
Hello sir, we are the student of Vimal Hriday English Medium School from class 10 along with our schoolmates. Today we have performed two projects. First is Newton's cradle and this is automatic street light. Now I hand over the mic to Rashi to describe what is Newton's cradle.
This is Newton's cradle, which works on the concept of law of conservation of mass and energy. If we lift left marble ball, it will strike all the marble balls, and the force we apply to the left marble ball, it will give it to the last one. I will show you. Now I hand over the mic to Lucky to explain automatic street light.
So this is street light, automatic street light. This works on the principle of intensity of the bright light. So if we on the switch, like see, it is not, it is glowing because of the brightness. But if we close this, it is not glowing. So we have to cover it for the darkness. Then it will glow. Thank you, sir.
This model is an earthquake model, earthquake alarm model. Earthquake is nothing else but the sustained energy that is released in the earth crust. Whenever earthquake occurs, this lock moves, that is attached with an aluminium wire. This aluminium wire is attached with an aluminium hook, due to which this sound is produced by buzzer. This sound is being produced by a buzzer. We have attached it with a buzzer that is produced with this buzzer. This sound can help people to identify that it's an earthquake. It will work as an alarm so that people can identify it's an earthquake. Tanya, विमल हृदय इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल। थैंक यू।
अपने परिवार के साथ गांव में रहकर रोजगार करना चाहते हैं तो आइए ना हमारा जायसवाल ट्रेडिंग में, जहां आपको महिंद्रा का बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस वाले टोटो देंगे, वह भी मात्र 40,000 तक में। फिर देर किस बात की है? हमारा पता है कुर्सेला प्रखंड अंचल कार्यालय के समीप। संपर्क सूत्र 7260847413। अपने घर को दें नई रौनक, लगाएं जॉनसन्स टाइल्स। हमारे यहाँ टाइल्स, मार्बल, ग्रेनाइट एवं CPN सैनिटरी आइटम उचित मूल्य पर उपलब्ध है। विजिट माई शॉप न्यू मां काली ट्रेडिंग। हमारा पता है नया चौक कुर्सेला, बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के निकट।